Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short practical video, I will guide you for size of staircase. Also, I will guide you for steel reinforcement and some technical terms related stairs. So the topic is standard size of stair for a residential building. For residential building, you can say G plus 1 story. The size of the column or the size of the stair or the width of the stair should not be less than, for normal residential building, 3 feet and 3 inches. This is for G plus 1. You can decrease, it's depend on the size of the plot size, okay, and according to your requirements. But this is the normal size or the standard size. You can say 3 feet and 3 inches. So you can also keep 3 feet and 6 inches, 4 feet. But for normal residential building, this is sufficient, okay. Next, guys, let me guide you for the size of riser and trade. So guys, you can see this is trade, this one, which you can see here, this one. This is called trade, okay. So let me show you in a 3D. Guys, you can see clearly. This is riser, this one is trade. Look here, okay, and this one is trade. This is riser, okay. If you see, guys, here the riser should not be more than 6 to 7 inches. 6 inches or 7 inches for normal residential building. If you increase 7.58, so you will face more problems, because in normal residential building we have the children's, etc. So therefore that is not suitable for using this stair. So therefore normally the riser should not be more than 6 to 7 inches. And the riser is this one, guys, you can see this one. This is riser, okay. This is the riser. And let me show you the trade. And this is trade, and this one, okay. And the size of the trade should be 10 to 11 inches. You can say this is trade, okay. Next, guys, you can see here, let me guide you for angle. This angle should be between 25 to 40 angle or degree, okay. But for normal residential building, the angle should not be greater than 32 degree, okay. The next one, guys, you can see here, this is waist, this one. Let me show you in hatching. So this is waist. So here the waist normally you can keep up to 4 inches. Don't use less than 4 inches. Next, guys, you can see this is called flight. This is flight. This one. What? Flight. First flight, second flight. And this is called landing. Okay, so when you prepare or construct the stair to the first step, this is called landing. After that, when you are making the other flight, that is going to the second landing, okay. And the landing width should not be less than, from the size of the stair, which is standard, 3 feet and 3 inches. You can't decrease it. You can increase, but you can't decrease it, because these are the rules, regulation of construction of stair. The next one, guys, here you can see in the staircase, okay. So the foundation is very important, as you can see, guys, here. So inside this you can provide steel reinforcement, same like this. is we are providing the footing. Okay, so this size should not be less than the footing, or this one size should not be less than 3 feet by, or 3 feet should be the width, and 3 feet and 3 inches. Okay, because this is very important. So 3 feet and 3 inches. Okay, when you are creating the square foundation, especially for this the construction of the stair, so if the width of the stair is 3 feet 3 inches, so the size should be 3 feet and 3 inches by 3 feet and 3 inches, especially for this footing, for the foundation. If you are making it 3 feet 6 inches or 4 feet width, so the size of the footing should be 4 by 4 feet. Okay, remember these important points which I am discussing. Next guys, you can see the first flight should be, or in one flight don't use more than, okay, or let me guide you in detail. In one flight don't use more than 13 to 15 steps, a riser you can say. Okay, otherwise that is called the straight stair, and straight stair is very difficult for using inside residential building. Okay, for commercial building, because there we have males, the young men, so they are using that one. But for normal residential building, we have children, we have women, so therefore you will face more problems if the riser you increase then 6 to 7 inches, or the tray 10 to 11 inches if you make it decrease, so you will face more problems. So guys, this is a short video to guide you for some technical terms and standard size, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.